Hello brothers, sisters, I welcome you to Senegal, the Lion of Africa, or Kodo. I keep saying, or I keep asking, what's the difference between the sachet water and the bottled water? I mean, I believe it's the same because I'm here in Senegal and I drink this water and it doesn't do me anything. Yeah. Maybe I'm lucky to have this kind of stomach, you know. What's it? Jakarta?
No, Tangana.
Tangana. Okay. Tangana. So potatoes
is hot.
Hot. Ah, okay, okay. So Tangana means what?
Hot, yeah.
So liver with onions and potatoes, stir fried and inside the car. Way up. You see the reflection?
Ghetto.
Yeah, ghetto. Yeah. So I'm in the wood. And that's how they do it. Okay. Yeah. So basically, cafe in Senegal. Yeah, very hot. Very hot cafe in a hot afternoon and a hot sun.
Voilà la bouche. Il voit en haut et en bas.
En bas, okay. En haut, en bas. Okay. You know me? Really? Well, I saw someone in Senegal who knows me. You follow me on Facebook? Of course. This guy's a Ghanaian in Senegal. Man, this guy found God.
Exactly.
Man, I just met someone, Ghanaian man in Senegal.
What's your name?
Adams, okay.